How to contact Citipool customer support. Are you guys facing issue to contact customer support of Citipool application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To contact customer support of Citipool, first of all, open the Citipool app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply look at the last option, support. Tap on support. Once you click on support, you'll be forwarded to this interface. In this interface, you will be able to contact customer support of Citipool. Just simply write down your email. Once you write down the email, write down the issues that you are facing with Citipool. Once you click it or write down it, also take a screenshot of your issues and click on choose file, upload that photo that you are facing issues with Citipool, and just simply click on this capture and tap on submit. Once you click on submit, Citipool customer support will contact you through email. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna contact customer support of Citipool application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.